YankieDude5000 and Inspector Black Cat. You motherfucking betrayer and shitty. You lie to me. Remember, I was the Who back 2016. But now you lost it. And as for you, Inspector Black Cat, I can't not fucking believe you leaving AUTTP no reason. How could you do that? Why?
Well, the reason why I quit the app. Because King Eric Udit was stated to bully YankieDude5000 for no reason. I now fucking hate you, Captain Muta from Pokemon.
Yeah. You always kept making video out of me back in June 2016. Even that you hurting me my feeling. Stupid. I can't stand you anymore. I hate you and your false UTTP.
Shut your fucking mouth, you stupid liar. Because of you for what did to my friends. Inspector Black Cat, you're fired from the cartoon and anime UTTP. This is your fault.
Never. I had to betray you because you made me upset and getting angry for no reason. I hope you kill yourself in real life.
So that's so. Alright. Now you are gonna pay for this.
See you in hell.
Don't you dare making sequel, or I'll make prequel. So long, fucker.